Hey, this is Lewis from Breakdance, and in this video, I want to show something very, very simple, and that is adding a text link to your page, something that you're going to want to do on all websites you build, something that is easy in Breakdance and mystifyingly complex in Elementor when it comes to the flexibility. It's kind of surprising, but let me walk you through it. In Breakdance, we have a dedicated text link element. In Elementor, there's no dedicated text link element. Instead, you add in a text editor element, and then you create your link inside the text editor. So I could just type in, click here, highlight, create my link to some page. In Breakdance, you would just put in your link URL right there. Simple enough in both builders. However, when you want to customize the color of the link, that's where it gets awfully tricky in Elementor and very simple in Breakdance. So in Breakdance, because you have the dedicated text link element, if you want to customize the color, and this color is set in Breakdance in the global colors, but if you want to customize it on a per link basis, you just go to the design tab, go to your typography, set your color, and then mouse over until you get the hover icon, and then set your hover color. I'm going to do an exaggerated effect so it's really obvious in the video, and there we go. Mouse over, and it's lighter. In Elementor, let's say you want to change the color of this link. Well, these colors, because Elementor relies on a theme, are coming from the theme, or you can set the color override in Elementor's global settings. Let's say you want to customize the color for an individual link, though. To do that, you can go to Style for the text editor, but there's no link-specific settings. Sure, you can go to Text Color, and you can change that, but you'll notice that because this text is a link, it's not actually affecting the color of that link. As you can see here, I've set it to this blue turquoise, but the link is still red. So how do you actually change the link color in Elementor? Well, you do it globally. So to do that, you're going to go to the site settings, and then you can go to typography and links. And here you can set your link normal color. I'll set it to this blue, and you can set your hover color. I set it to this green. And there you go. We've now changed the link color. The problem with this is that we've changed the color of all text links. And maybe that's fine if every part of your site has the same background color, but on most websites, they don't. So let's say in Breakdance, you had a website with a light design for the most part, but then let's say you added a dark call to action section. So I'll just add a section. I'll make the background black, for example. Let's say you put a link in there. Well, you probably want this link to be, a different color. Maybe you even had like a blue accent color you're using for the section. Well, if blue's your default link color, that's going to be invisible there. So you probably want to make this link white. On Breakdance, it's easy. You just set the link color to white. And of course, you want to customize the hover color as well. You just customize the hover color. And there we go. We've customized the link color and hover color for that specific link. In Elementor, no such luck. So let's say in Elementor, you added, let's save our site settings first. Say in Elementor, you added another section, and then you added another link. So text editor, and then let's make that a link. Well, let's say now we went to this section and we made the background color, say blue. So let's go to background, and there we go. The link's invisible. Well, we want to customize the color of this link and only this link. How do we do it? Well, this is the official documentation article on Elementor's website. How to change link color in Elementor. You can do it with the global color, and that's what I showed you, but that affects every single link. So if you want to customize the link color of an individual link, you have to create a CSS class in your site settings. You have to write the custom class, and then you have to add the classes to your text editor. So, for example, that would mean going into the site settings, going to custom CSS, adding a class. I call this my custom link color. And then inside that, we'll add a, and then we do color is, say, red. And then we'd want to assign this class to the text editor. So the way we do that is close out the site settings, go to the text editor, and then assign the CSS class. So you go to advanced, and then you go to CSS classes. Let's paste in that class name, and there we go. We've now made the link red. What a pain in the, I'm not going to say in this video. You get the idea. Breakdance makes it so much easier. That's just one of the many areas where we've paid close attention to detail to make it much easier to do common things in Breakdance.